What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Luna Classic. We're back again. As most of you know, I try to update Luna Classic every once in a while, so welcome back. Not so positive update right now for Luna Classic, but we'll talk about it. We'll talk about this little crash we had. I know in the thumbnail I said crash, some of you don't like it. But for me, a crash is already when you have a sudden drop in price. That's a little crash, I think. I think that's a definition. And we had that Wednesday. I haven't covered it since, so I wanted to give a little bit of an analysis. What happened? What's the situation right now? What does the Luna Classic market look like? And apart from that, we'll also talk about the fundamentals and governance a little bit, but not too much. Mainly the technicals and kind of the altogether the market altogether. But that's what we'll do in this video. Before we get into the video and the rest of the analysis, if you want to receive daily trading signals and join my trading signal group in which I send them and also updates on the market, everything, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join the group. But now onto Luna Classic. So the thing is, and this is kind of a phenomenon which we have seen quite a lot of times over the last couple of weeks, months even, is that when it just seems like the bullish momentum is out of Luna Classic. First of all, we did not even get that big of a move anymore around the Binance burn of April. We barely got any move. We also did not burn that much because the volume of Luna Classic right now is just not that great. Right now it's around 50 million. Yeah, not that great. And apart from that, the phenomenon which we have seen is that when Bitcoin is bullish, Luna Classic gets a little bit bullish. But when Bitcoin gets bearish, like for example with that sell-off Wednesday morning, then Luna Classic gets very bearish. So we go up a little bit when Bitcoin goes up a lot, and when Bitcoin goes down a lot, we do not go down a little bit, we go down a lot too. So that's kind of the problem, and I think that comes from the whole situation around Luna Classic right now, that there's not a lot going on. There are some, like this parameter change, there's some development going on, of course, but not enough to keep up with this hyper competitive market, I think. So we're still waiting for some sort of a Luna Classic repack, USDC repack proposal, but even right now, I mean, that could get us up to like 13,200. But not more than that. And I very much doubt whether it's still coming. But for now, technically what happened is that our main support level, which held us for quite a long time, around 11,800, 11,600, has given up. We dropped down below that. Apart from that, we are also still seeing bearish momentum for Bitcoin. So altogether, first of all, we are back at levels we were at before the burn tax, which is a little bit bearish and not so nice to look at. But apart from that, I also expect that even though it could be true that Bitcoin gets some bullish momentum today, then Luna Classic will get some bullish momentum as well. But I do not think we are able to break above 12,000, which is now, there's basically resistance all the way from 11,750 all the way up to 12,000, and I do not think Luna Classic is strong enough to break above that. So we could get there, but at some point, the most likely scenario for me is that we will get a bearish breakout through 11,000, and that will drop down to this 10,400 level. I think that's the most likely scenario, unless this is just if the market is normal, right? So if we get some sort of a repack proposal, then as I said, we'll get bullish momentum. But this is given what we know and given what I expect for the market and Luna Classic. So that's my take on it for now. If you do have any questions, then as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.